Hello everyone, Umgozi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, baqinisile nabathi tindzaba tebantu lababili atingenwa. Yathi sidokhawula kungena tindzaba tebantu lababili. Niyamkhumbula la Ncongco wake wathi Jacob Zuma akasabhadali rent, so she had to move back. Labe kahlala khona ku fence sowuphumile aka maintain nemntwana. Yet nyalo guys Ncongco ubuyile ngesigaca showing us ama video anotatu Jacob Zuma. They are back to
ama vote ke. All right, xamana lithi ngixoxeleke. So kunama awards kuthiwa ama SAFTA, right? Uvula ifone.
Hayibo,
angithi ngiyakutshela
nje ngathi awusangitsheni manje ngisebenzisa impela.
Okay, ngizokuholela.
Sola no, hayi.
Awufuna ukuholela?
No.
Okay. Angithi ngifuna ukukhombisa. Khona uzothi mosowulala bese uyavotela uMakasaka. So kunama awards kuthiwa ama SAFTAs. uMakasaka is nominated as the best TV presenter of this era. So umuvota ke angithi ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi unciphaza uthini. Go to your keypad as if you are dialing a number. Right? Uthi star 120 ukuba bes voting.
Star
120.
So kule video lena kuyakhombisa ukuthi la Ncongco so ubuyelene na Zuma. Kusho ukuthi they are back again, they are dating. Cause ndiyakhumbula simbonile agcoka amaphinifa ekotita ane family yakazuma ukuthi so ubuyelile despite into leti watisho ukuthi aka maintain imntwana abasekho together, so umuvile yo ningaphinzi nitingene tindzaba tebantu lababili. Diyekeleni kithi bemgosi, diyekeleni kithi manje. So thank you guys for listening and watching my video. See you ku video elandelayo. Have a lovely day.